ChatSonic. Tired of chatbots that give outdated answers or miss the latest trends? Frustrated when your AI assistant cannot keep up with real-time events? You are not alone, and that is exactly why ChatSonic exists. ChatSonic, created by ChatSonic, is not just another AI chatbot. It takes conversations to the next level by integrating real-time Google search data. This means it can deliver up-to-the-minute facts and news, unlike many models stuck with fixed knowledge cutoffs. For anyone needing current and accurate information, whether it is a marketer tracking trends or a content creator brainstorming fresh ideas, this feature is a game changer. But ChatSonic does more than just answer questions. It combines advanced natural language processing with multimedia capabilities, allowing you to generate both text and images directly within your chats. One hands-free control. Voice command integration makes interacting effortless, while multi-language support ensures accessibility for users worldwide. Another powerful aspect is its dynamic conversation memory. ChatSonic learns from previous interactions, making your experience more personalized over time. Whether you are automating workflows, researching topics, or creating content, this chatbot adapts to your needs and becomes more effective the more you use it. ChatSonic also plays well with others. Its compatibility with multiple AI models, including GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude, gives you flexible and versatile responses. Plus, its seamless integration with platforms like WordPress, Ahrefs, and Google Search Console means it can fit right into your marketing or content creation toolkit. In a digital world where speed and accuracy matter, ChatSonic stands out as a reliable assistant. It empowers businesses, marketers, and creators to work smarter, not harder, by offering timely, personalized, and multimedia-rich support. Stop wasting time on tools that cannot keep up. Upgrade to ChatSonic today and experience conversations that feel alive, informed, and tailored just for you.